Ingredients for the chicken: 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 large egg white, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon ground white pepper, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into 2-inch pieces, 1 cup potato starch, cooking spray for coating, cooked jasmine rice for serving. For the sauce: 1 4-cup brown sugar, 1 4-cup soy sauce, 1 4-cup water, 1 4-cup orange juice, zest of 1 orange, 1 4 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 8 teaspoon misk optional, 1 tablespoon distilled white vinegar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. For the garnish: orange slices, 2 scallions, thinly sliced, dark greens only. Preparation: 1. Preheat the air fryer to 350 F2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, egg white, salt and white pepper until combined. Add the chicken, toss to coat and marinate for at least 30 minutes. 3. Lightly coat the chicken pieces in potato starch. Spray the air fryer tray with cooking spray, then arrange the chicken in a single layer. Spray the top of the chicken and cook at 350 F for 10 minutes. Shake the chicken to loosen any pieces that are sticking, then air fry again at 400 F for 8 minutes. Or until the chicken is crispy and a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the chicken reaches 165 F. 4. Meanwhile, make the sauce. Whisk together the brown sugar, soy sauce, water, orange juice, orange zest, salt, misk and vinegar. 5. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons water with the cornstarch. Stir until well combined to create a slurry. 6. In a large wok set over high heat, add the oil, garlic and ginger and cook until light golden brown, 15 to 30 seconds. Immediately add the sauce and bring it up to a simmer, 1-2 minutes. Slowly whisk in the cornstarch slurry. Cook for 2 minutes or until thickened. Add the sesame oil and stir to combine. Add in the air-fried chicken and toss to combine. Serve the chicken immediately over jasmine rice. Garnish with orange slices and sliced scallions.